Hi friends, thanks so much for clicking on this video. My name is Lisa, and today, instead of my usual content that focuses on home decor or shopping, I want to talk with you about Lo & Sons purses and handbags. Fun story about how I discovered Lo & Sons. My husband and I were on a trip to San Francisco, and we were about to board a ferry to go see Alcatraz, and a young lady in front of me had a beautiful purse, and I thought, if I don't ask her about it, I'm going to regret it. So I did, and she was more than happy to tell me all about it. She said it was a Lo & Sons pearl, and it had all these pockets in it. It was great for travel. I loved how it had like a little monogram on the top. I thought those were her initials, but I later found out that was the L and S for Lo & Sons. I made a mental note of it, but my husband actually made an actual note of it, and he put that name brand in his phone. And a few weeks later on my birthday, he surprised me with this. This is the Lo & Sons Pearl in the classic navy Saffiano leather. And it has been a wonderful purse because that was 5 years ago. I have carried this bag almost daily. It has a long strap, but that's convertible. That can be shortened to be even like a clutch with a little handle for your wrist. But the durability of this purse has amazed me more than any purse I've ever owned. And it wasn't that expensive. To me, purses run the gamut of $5 to several thousand. If a purse is over $100, it's expensive to me. And this one was, but it was so worth it because the durability is amazing. I do love the simplicity of this bag, and it does have that little L and S monogram on it. It has lots of pockets inside, but it has two sections that are zippered, and one is even padded for an electronic device. It has credit card holders inside, and I'll show you more of those features when I can move my camera around and point it down in there. I love this purse, and that made me want another one. So I sought out a smaller one that I could carry to concerts or events like that, and this is their Waverly 2. And instead of the monogram, it has, instead of their initials, it has actual Lo & Sons in really tiny print up here at the top. Hopefully you can see that. So this one is also a crossbody, but all of their straps on their smaller purses are convertibles. Here's the long strap, and you can wear that as a crossbody and even as a belt bag. If you look up Waverly 2 on their website, it will show how you can put this around your waist, which is amazing when you want to have your hands free and not worry about anything slipping off your shoulder, or perhaps you just want it to be as a belt instead of a crossbody. And this one also has this incredible little feature. They had the Waverly, the original Waverly didn't have this, and when they came out with the Waverly 2, they put this little slot on the back for a credit card or your driver's license, whatever you might need to put there. That's really handy. But inside, more pockets, and I'll show you those up close in just a moment. Also in this Saffiano leather, and incredibly durable. I can't say enough about this. But as much as I love the durability of this bag, I wanted one that was non-leather. I'd rather have my products be vegan if possible. And I wrote to them and I asked them if they would ever consider making the pearl in a non-leather version, maybe even like a nylon. I just love the style of it. So if they could make that in a non-leather version. That was a couple of years ago. And they said, we'll take that into consideration. And then a few months ago, they came out with a Cactus leather purse in the pearl and also in the Waverly. And I ordered one, and I'm going to do an unboxing today with you. So let's see it. So here it is in the box it was shipped in. I'm going to open it up with this little knife right here, and we get to see what's inside. I did order it in black. I have the black in the small Waverly, and I prefer a black in the pearl. And oh, this is exciting. Okay, so first of all, the inside looks like this. And I'll just open this plastic part with the same little knife. cardboard there to protect it. Oh my goodness, here it is. So here is the Cactus leather. And this one, they keep very simple. There is no monogram at all on this one. There were a couple of different features. You'll notice that the on my original Pearl, it had little leather tabs there for the zippers. And this one has some beautiful gold hardware. And taking that off immediately, taking off the tissue paper, that is. And oh, look at this. This is a nice dust bag for the purse with a lo&sons logo on the front. And this is a nice sturdy dust bag. Also great for travel. And let's see, here is the handle, the strap that is. Very nicely wrapped. Let's see, try to peel this off. And what's amazing is this Cactus leather, made from cactus. It feels like cowhide. I'm not kidding. This is so supple. This is not your usual imitation leather. I'm amazed. And I got this in the black exterior and lavender interior. That is gorgeous inside. And this hardware, I love gold hardware. I wear gold and silver jewelry, but I probably wear gold a little bit more. And most people don't think about coordinating their hardware on their purse with the jewelry they're wearing. I mean, I don't, but it's a nice touch if you can do that. Here's the little tag. And their purses are currently not available in any retail stores. You have to order them online. And I'll put the website in the comments below, or in the description box. So if I attach my strap, and as always, this is very convertible and adjustable. So I can make this into a wristlet if I like, and adjust the length of the strap, which is very long right now. Let's see if I can adjust that. They have these little holders on the side. And here's the adjuster right here, so I can shorten the length like that. And more protective tissue paper inside. And again, the little ribbon here, cloth ribbon to hold your keys, if you like. And I will take off the paper tag. It might take me a moment. Okay, that did take me a moment. There it is, right there, lo&sons. And this is black, gold, and lavender, the Pearl Pebble Cactus. Right there. Oh my goodness, this is exquisite. I'm really, really pleased with this. It feels like one of those bags you're like, oh, I don't want to carry it because I don't want it to get messed up. But I know it's just too practical not to use. I mean, that is just a beautiful bag. It kind of blends in with your outfit. I mean, it doesn't stand out, add weight to you, so to speak. Sometimes when purses are really big, if you have them near your waist or your hip, I feel like they sort of like make everything lighter. And I just like something that blends in and is really sleek. I think that's what I like most about their purses, is that they're so incredibly sleek. So I'm going to give you an inside look at the Pearl and also the Waverly, so you see how many pockets it has, how much you can fit in there. It's quite amazing. But their website has videos on it, and those are so helpful with just seeing how versatile they are, and also all their other purses and their bags, their backpacks. It's the full array of anything that you might want as far as carrying your office supplies, your just your daily needs, or something really small when you want just your essentials. So I'm going to show you next the inside of those bags. Okay, I'll start with my new purse, the pearl in the cactus leather in the black. So again, there are those beautiful gold zippers with the Lo & Sons name on them. And when I open it up, it has 3 snaps to secure it. So it's not just one that you typically see, it's actually 3 divided up equally. And then when you open it up, the middle section has this zippered pocket with that beautiful lavender interior and the Lo & Sons name going across the fabric. The other side has 2 pockets and a pocket for a pen holder. And again, that ribbon for your keys. This section that's directly opposite that zippered pocket that has its own section, this is actually padded for a device. So you could put your tablet in there and know that it's really secure and it won't get crushed. The other side has just the regular lining, but that gives you so many sections in there to organize with. This is identical to my original pearl in Saffiano leather as far as the sections. The difference is that these had little leather tags for the zippers. I should probably clean these zippers. They would look brand new if I did. And the inside of this one had the bird that was the original logo with the gray interior. And the same on this side, more padded with the same sections inside. And then the Waverly 2 in the Saffiano leather has several little sections inside. One that's pocketed for your credit cards or your driver's license, whatever you might need on a little card. And that zips closed. And then the other side has a pocket. And then, as I said before, it has this little pocket on the outside for something you might need to grab quickly. And of course, all the straps are adjustable. And I love the way this one could transition from day to night, simply by changing your handle or not even doing that. I think it looks elegant no matter what you do. And again, that nice dust bag that came with my new one. Thanks so much for watching this video today and seeing my Lo & Sons purses, especially my brand new Cactus vegan leather purse. I was so excited to show this to you, and today was the first time I got to see it as well. If you're interested in any of the bags I showed you, either the Waverly 2 or the Pearl, you can find them on the Lo & Sons website, and I'll have that linked in the description box. On their website, you can find all kinds of bags, backpacks and large travel totes and other accessories like wallets. And they have so many great sales going on all the time and the best customer service, so check it out. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.